Ben Franklin said there are only two things certain in life, death and taxes. But with ever changing tax laws on both the federal and state level, it can get pretty confusing. Here in Arizona, we have an extraordinary program that helps our community's most vulnerable individuals without costing you a dime. Our elected officials passed legislation that allows you to determine where your taxes are spent and invested in your community, no matter where you live. It's called the Arizona Tax Credit Program. Yes, you've probably heard of it. Maybe you've even given to your child's school. There are little known secrets that give you more than $3,000 right off the top of your Arizona taxes. Just think what your $3,000 can do to help others in need and cut your tax bill. There are 5 tax credits that come right off the top of your Arizona state taxes. Yep, while it sounds too good to be true, you can take all 5 credits. Arizona Charitable Tax Credit. Qualified charitable organizations, QCOs, provide immediate basic needs for needy families, low-income residents, or serve children with disabilities. Qualified Foster Care Tax Credit supports nearly 50 organizations that improve the lives of children in foster care. Public School Tax Credit supports K-12 public education extracurricular programs. Private School Tax Credit for scholarships to private schools. Military Family Relief Fund supports military families. Here's a quick example of Frank and Frida Fickle of Phoenix, who have made a choice how to invest their money in their community and receive a dollar-for-dollar credit on their Arizona taxes. Frank and Frida Fickle of Phoenix have a combined annual income of $120,000, paying an average state tax of around $5,000. Because Frank and Frida are passionate about helping to end homelessness in their community, they are longtime supporters of Central Arizona Shelter Services. This year they increased their annual gift to CAS to $800 to maximize their tax credit. Next, they decided to give to a foster care organization. They maximized their tax credit with a $1,000 donation. They also gave $400 to their grandson's school and $1,110 to a private school tuition organization. Here's their bottom line. $5,038 in taxes deducted from their paychecks in 2018, $3,310 donated to CAS, a foster care organization, their children's school, and a private school tuition organization, reducing their tax liability to $1,778. A $3,310 reduction in their Arizona taxes that goes directly to help the Fickles' personal giving priorities before ever claiming their usual tax deductions. And chances are they will be getting a state tax refund. It's simple. All you have to do is provide your donation info to your tax preparer or enter your contributions into your online tax program. Frank and Frida say, fantastic! It's great knowing we are putting our tax dollars to work helping Arizona's most needy. And we used our credit card to make our tax credit donations and used the points we earned to visit our kids in Fargo. Jump on the tax credit bandwagon to help end homelessness in your community. Support CAS with your donation today.